Ladies and gentlemen, today, I am excited to introduce the Y81F-160 hydraulic metal baler, a powerful and efficient solution for scrap metal processing. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this machine stands out in the industry for its robust capabilities and impressive performance. Starting with its hydraulic system, the Y81F-160 features a master pressure cylinder with a remarkable thrust of 160 tons, allowing it to handle heavy loads with ease. Coupled with a side pressure cylinder delivering 125 tons of power, this baler can compress scrap metal into manageable blocks efficiently. The machine's advanced design includes a covered door cylinder and a bale turnout cylinder, ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance. The Y81F-160 operates with a hydraulic working pressure of less than 25 MPa, providing both power and efficiency. The compression chamber measures 1400 by 900 by 800 mm, creating the perfect environment for high-volume processing. With a single cycle time of just 100 seconds when empty, it achieves a production efficiency of approximately 1.5 to 2.5 tons of scrap steel per hour. One of the key advantages of this baler is its automatic outlet method, featuring PLC remote control. This not only enhances user convenience but also ensures precision in the baling process, reducing the risk of errors and maximizing productivity. The machine is powered by a reliable 22 kW electric motor and is equipped with a hydraulic pump designed for high performance. In summary, the Y81F-160 hydraulic metal baler is an excellent choice for scrap metal recyclers seeking to enhance their operational efficiency. With its powerful hydraulic system, high production capacity, and user-friendly features, this baler represents a significant investment in both productivity and profitability. Thank you for your attention, and I invite you to explore how the Y81F-160 can elevate your scrap metal processing operations.